Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Deb. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make an easy ensalada fresca. All you need is some lettuce, some mayonnaise, some shells or whatever kind of pasta you can pretty much use anyone, corn and salchichas, or better known as hot dogs. Let's get started. I'm going to start boiling my pasta. So now I'm going to boil my pasta. And let that boil until it gets nice and soft. My noodles are nice and soft, so I'm going to strain them now. Alright guys, so now we're going to put everything together. My noodles are nice and cold. I run the cold water through them because I don't want to put mayonnaise on the hot noodles. So make sure you cool them down. Then I'm going to put my corn. And I'm going to put my hot dogs, or you can use Spam. I usually use Spam or ham, but I just felt like making it with hot dogs today. Then I'm going to add my lettuce. Put as much as you want to. Then my mayo. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper before I mix it up. Then we're gonna mix this up. Alright guys, and it's all mixed up. Now it's time to serve. This is my salad, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave your comments. Till then, I will see you on the next video. I also forgot to mention when you're done making your ensalada fresca to put it in the fridge to chill.